Gaming here. Hi guys, Cool Monkey Gaming here. I don't know if I said that, but today we're gonna try to get this. 40 of those. I have 4. So let's go ahead and just play some stuff. Sorry if I haven't posted in a long time. I was sick. So yeah. So let's just play Subway Surf. I'm not gonna really talk a lot because my throat hurts. Right now we're gonna do a toy hunt. May film a video, but I may not. I wanna get that. Oh, mystery box. That's nice. So I just noticed that there's an update, so I was like, I have to do this. And there's like a new character that there's 27 days left, because it's really cheap. It's 50,000 and it's 95,000 once the days are over. And I don't want to get 95,000 because that might take like forever. So yeah, we're gonna try to at least get 40 of our listings. And I have 13 days left. That's a really good play. So let's just play Subway Surf. Yeah. Sorry if I haven't been posting. It's just my very first time. And also because I've been going, and I'm also gonna be meaning to San Antonio. So we'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna go do something really. So I'm back, guys. I got things because people are talking a lot. That's why I have to pause it. Sorry, guys, if you hear too much noise. Yep, sorry. 280. Not that bad. No, dang it, I missed it. I missed it. That sucks. No, I want to die. I missed it. Did you guys see that? I was going to get it, but I kind of like missed it. Nah, I've been playing a lot of Subway Surf, and I do have lots of profits. Oh my god. Really? Oh, let's go. I'll be right back. I'm gonna double this baby up. So I'm back, and let's press X. So I got 1,000 coins. I just missed 2 in a row. I wouldn't never have like. Is it really easy to catch? They're really easy to find. They're kind of hard to catch if the police is after you. I'm gonna be posting a lot since I am now posted in a lot of days. And please, I want to have lots of subscribers. Sorry guys, I had to die for a reason. Because somebody interrupted. I keep getting interrupted in my videos. I don't know why. But once I die, guys, this is gonna be the end. I'm gonna play some more. And I will be still playing. I wouldn't just be playing for videos. And I die. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!